Hello students, today we will going to do essay on peacock. Essay on peacock. Do subscribe this channel and press like button and also press bell icon for more updates. What is peacock? Peacock is the national bird of India. The bird is very colorful and beautiful. They have crown on their head. They have colorful feathers. It looks beautiful when they dance in rain. It is considered as a king of birds, and there is a beautiful velvet color on its long neck. It eats harmful insects and it is the symbol of beauty, grace, and joy. Peacock word is masculine and its female is called peahen. Thank you.